Hello YouTube, Motor Car Guy here, welcome back. And today we're doing an unboxing of two 78 Dodge Monaco police cars, and y'all probably got a good idea how they're going to be done. They're going to be done as Roscoe Menendez's police cars from the show. Eventually I will build a third one, for Cletus, and then I'll do like, Sheriff Little and some like the state police cars are like on an episode or two. I'm just going to show all the parts for just one of them, and then when there's a difference, then I'll show for the other one. Alright, so here's the body, 4-door. Here's our interior tub. My dash fell off the tree. Here's my steering wheel. Had a deep oil rim fall off. Tree along with a radiator hose. And a gun. Some type of, looks like assault rifle. Here's the hood, along with like first aid and some of the computer stuff. Had some more guns, CB, radio, some horns, and I think the other part of the bumper or part of the light bar, one of the two. We got a roll pan here, tire backs, some pegs. We got our back of our seat and our front seats. And then we got an intake here with a cover thing, exhaust manifolds, battery, mirrors, air cleaner, engine half cylinder heads, fan belt, washer bottle, timing cover. Got some normal steelies. This is a part of the, I think, a light bar and a brush guard assembly. Got our firewall, core support with a radiator, our rear end and springs, and our other 3 deep oil rims. And then I had also a intake fall off, another one. Let's see, I got 4 tires and an axle. There's our chrome tree. Got a fan, valve covers, oil pan, foot pedal, antenna, part of our light bar, grills, headlights, front rear bumpers, all that. Here's my windshield back glass, all molded together, and then we got our tail lights and part of our light bar. And here's the decals that come with it. But instead, we're gonna go with these. Got from STS, got the badging, says Hazard County, rebel flag on the front, license plate in the rear. So now we kind of get started off with the differences. So here's the Monaco direction, well the California Highway Patrol Monaco directions. So start off with the motor, get it put on together, gun rack if we choose, along with our like computer and first aid, and then CB, and then seats in, and dash and steering wheel. Some more guns, and then we got our tires together, put our steelies and hubcaps on, and putting our rear end in and our axles, tires. Mount the motor, radiator hose, core support, front tires, battery, washer bottle, AC, install glass and interior tub and firewall. Front bumper, grills and headlights, and our rear bumper and tail lights. Along with our hood and body to the chassis, if you choose, put the brush guard on, and then light bar, antenna, some like a siren, and decals. Now the differences between this kit and this kit is that the light bar on this one's rounded, which is actually show accurate. So that's why I'm stealing the light bar out of this other Monaco kit I have here. So that's more accurate, show accurate. And let's see, different decals. It has bigger tires in it. And then I believe there is, yeah, looks like there's no the skinny steelies with it. Just got the deep oils. And also same thing with the decals. Be using they're the exact same. Now here's the Joker Monaco directions. It is a little different. The entire time you're reading it, it's sitting there laughing at you. That's the exact same thing. I just thought I'd show y'all because it's a little different. And it also comes with a Joker figure that the face kind of looks like Andy Griffith for some odd reason. And it's supposed to be like Jack Nicholson. So, oh yeah. And then here's the box arts. Got the 440. Yeah. Alright, hope you guys are enjoying this unboxing video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the build video. Stay tuned for it.